Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $73.08 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving below this particular level, we can see there will be a chances it can go further low. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see there is a probability that once the crude price started moving below this particular level, chances of going towards a level of around 72.29 we can see, and if that level move further down, we can see it can touch a level of around $71.46. Okay, why we have seen there is a sudden downfall in the price of crude? Because see, the dollar index started moving in continuously down, and what I have explained you that sometime what happens, the dollar index also move down and the crude also moves down and they move together also. Okay, there is a sharp fall we have seen after a level of 76.15, and then it made a low of around 72.75. Now it tries to go upside and can touch a level of $73.13. Remember this is a big gap we can see. Okay, looking at the 15-minute chart, you will understand clearly that how the price was moving. Okay, see now if you look at this particular trend, probability is higher that that if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see and a probability of filling this gap can be there. Okay, so chances can be high. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen, dollar index is trading at a level of $104.2 and there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and probability is higher that if the price keep moving above level of 104.5, a further upside we can see in the price of dollar index, then the price of crude can move, because see, they are inversely related but sometimes they move on the same thing. Okay, the dollar index move upside, it also move upside. See, this is one of the factor I'm telling you. Otherwise, what if the price started going over level of 104.5, we can see the crude price can come down, but if the price started going below a level of 104, then the crude price can come upside. See, this is one of the factor. See, sometime they mostly moves in a reverse position, but sometime they move together, what we have seen now. Okay, looking at this particular chart, there's a huge gap is there. What we have seen, a sharp fall has come. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see on a device chart, you will see. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, probability of going further upside we can see, and it can touch a level of around 73.49, which is already being weak resistance. So chances are if the price keep moving on this level, we can see it will touch a level of 74.19. 74.19 is already being weak. After that, it can touch a level of 75.26, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 76.19. Okay, after crossing this level, a probability of going towards 76.19 will be there, and then it can go towards 76.77, and then it will touch a level of 77, and then a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards $72.79. Okay, if the price falling below that particular zone, we will see a level of 72.4. Okay, if the price keep moving below a level of 72.4, a further fall we can see towards 71.82. Okay, and if that move further low, a probability of touching a level of 71.42 will be there, and then to a level of 70.61. Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started falling below 70.61, a further fall we can see towards a level of $70. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 69.81. Okay, chances are very high that if the price keep falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, because it has made a low after Feb of 24. So chances are high it can move towards a level of 70.41, then to a level of 69.42, and then to a level of 68.19. And once the price started falling below that particular level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 67.67, and then further